Welcome children, this is your social class, the continuation of chapter 1, the colorful north. So in this chapter we are already discussed 4 important cities. Which are they, that 4 important cities? New Delhi, Chandigarh, Patna and Lucknow, isn't it? So tell me the importance of Delhi, that is the capital of India, and Chandigarh, it's a union territory, and Punjab and Haryana, the capital of 2 states. It is the 2 states capital, that is Punjab and Haryana. Second one is Lucknow. Lucknow is the capital of Uttar Pradesh. Then Patna is the capital of which one? Bihar. So this everything we are already discussed, and today we are going to discuss, that is today we are going to discuss Srinagar. The important city name is Srinagar. So tell me children, in from where this Srinagar? Yes, the Srinagar is the largest city of Jammu and Kashmir. Jammu and Kashmir ഒരു വലിയൊരു സിറ്റിയാണ്, the largest city ആണ് in the Srinagar, and it is situated along the bank of Jhelum. ഏത് റിവറിന്റെ ഭാഗത്താണ് situated ചെയ്തിരിക്കുന്നത്? That is river Jhelum, and it is a popular place among tourists. ടൂറിസ്റ്റേഴ്സിന് ഇമ്പോർട്ടൻ്റ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള ഒരു സിറ്റിയാണ് ഇത് ശ്രീനഗർ. That is in Jammu and Kashmir. And winters, or what is the climate condition of Srinagar? That is winters are cold. The city receives snowfall in December and January. The important is the Srinagar, the city, the important is snowfall. Also they are facing, the peoples are facing snowfall. So which month? That is December and January. Okay, so that is summers are generally pleasant. Summer season pleasant ആയിരിക്കും, winters cold ആയിരിക്കും, but which month? December and January they facing snowfall. Okay, and the summers are pleasant, and people are speak different type language, that is Kashmiri, Dogri, Urdu, Hindi. These languages are speak these areas people. And Srinagar is famous for its carpet, shawls, woodwork and dried fruits. These everything അവരുടെ മെയിൻ വ്യവസായമാണ്, അവിടെയുള്ള മെയിൻ വർക്ക് ആണ്, അവിടെയുള്ള ആൾക്കാർക്കുള്ള മെയിൻ വർക്ക്സ് ആണ് ഏതൊക്കെ? കാർപ്പറ്റ് മേക്കിംഗ്, ഷോൾസ് മേക്കിംഗ്, വുഡ് വർക്ക് ആൻഡ് ഡ്രൈഡ് ഫ്രൂട്ട്സ്. ഇതെല്ലാം ഈ ജോലികളിലെല്ലാം ഇമ്പോർട്ടൻസ് കൊടുക്കുന്ന ഒരു സ്ഥലമാണ് എന്ത്, ഏതൊരു സിറ്റിയാണ് ഏത്? ശ്രീനഗർ. ആൻഡ് one of the important tea, any functions they are held from there, so they are making one of the tea name is kawwa. അവിടെ ഉണ്ടാക്കുന്ന ഒരു ടീയുടെ പേരാണ് എന്ത്? കവ്വ. ആൻഡ് സ്പെഷ്യൽ മീൽസ് ഓൾസോ, സ്പെഷ്യൽ മീൽ അവരുണ്ടാക്കുന്ന, നമ്മളൊക്കെ ബിരിയാണി ഒക്കെ ഉണ്ടാക്കുന്നില്ല, അതുപോലെ അവിടുത്തെ ഒരു സ്പെഷ്യൽ മീലാണ് എന്ത്? വസ്വാൻ. Okay, the special meal name is Waswan, the special tea name is Kawwa. Okay children, and the peoples are drink Kawwa, a special type of tea, a special meal called Waswan. And the important one of the tourists are using this thing, that is Shikara. In Dal Lake, avadeyulla oru lake name aanu Dal Lake. Dal Lake they are riding, they are using to ride Shikara ride. So that is also in Srinagar. The tourists love to visit Dal Lake and the Mughal Garden. The Dal Lake is popular for its Shikara ride. So that is also, you can see Shikara rides in your textbook. This is Shikara rides. Okay, so these are the important points in the city. Which city? Srinagar. Okay, so in that page number 145, you can see one true or false, that is checkpoint you can see. So that is first question. The offices of government of other countries are called embassies. It's true or false children? Yes, that is true. And the Lotus Temple is in Delhi. Isn't it correct children? Lotus Temple Delhi lana? Yes, it's correct. The third one, the Zakir Hussain Rose Garden in Lucknow. Zakir Hussain Rose Garden in Lucknow? No, it's false. Fourth one, the Gomti River flows through Lucknow. That is also true. And after that, you can see in your textbook the activities, that is tick the correct answer, fill in the blanks and answer the following question. So tick the correct answer. Everybody look at your textbook. First question, in Delhi many people visit dash, which one? That is India Gate. Then Chandigarh was designed by, who's designed by Chandigarh? That is Le Corbusier. Lucknow is famous for its, എന്തിനാണ് Lucknow famous ആയിരിക്കുന്നത്? That is chicken embroidery. Mahatma Gandhi Setu is in Patna. And last one can take a shikara raid on the which lake? That is Dal Lake. Okay, and fill in the blanks also in your textbook. Delhi is situated on the bank of river, that is Yamuna river. The Red Fort was built by Shah Jahan. ആരാണ് Red Fort build ചെയ്തിരിക്കുന്നത്? That is Shah Jahan. The dash is also known as the city of Nawabs, that is Lucknow. Lucknow is called the city of Nawabs. Dash is the main festival of Patna. Patnaile main festival aanu which one? Chhat festival. Fifth one, people in dash drink kawwa, that is Srinagar. Okay, then answer the following question. One of the first question is write the names of any 4 places of tourist interest in Delhi. ഡൽഹിയിൽ എത്തിക്കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ people visit ചെയ്യുന്ന important 4 places. So many monuments are in Delhi, isn't it? We are already studied the previous classes. So which are the monuments? That is Red Fort, Jama Masjid, Akshardham Temple, Lotus Temple, Rajgarh, Jantar Mandir, in India Gate, Humayun Tomb, so many others. So you can study any 4. Okay, any 4 names you want to study. Then second question, what is the rock garden famous for? Endilana rock garden famous ചെയ്തിരിക്കുന്നത്? Yes, the rock garden is famous for what? All made from discard materials. All made from discard materials. Third one, what places would you like to visit in Delhi? In Lucknow. Lucknowലേക്ക് എത്തിക്കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ, if you are going to Lucknow, so which places you are visiting? നിങ്ങൾ പോകുന്ന ഏത് places ആയിരിക്കും? We are already discussed that Bara Imbara, Chota Imbara, Rumi Darwaza, Clock Tower. You can choose any 2 or 3 names. Okay children. Fourth question, which language do people speak in Patna? In Patna city, which languages are people speak? That is Hindi, Maithili, Bhojpuri and Urdu. These language speak in these city peoples. Fifth one, write 2 sentences on the climate of Srinagar. Srinagarle climate condition endana? So that is, in the normal winters are cold, but another December and January they are facing snowfall. Okay, snowfall, it's received, the city receives snowfall in December and January. Okay, these are the question answers in your textbook. Children, read your textbook proper. Everybody want to read these important cities and study the important points. Okay children, thank you.